Mastering politeness. The power of shall I. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of polite English, with our focus on the phrase, shall I. This phrase is a valuable tool for making offers in a courteous manner, and today, we'll explore the appropriate situations to use it. So, let's get started. Before we jump into when to use shall I, it's crucial to understand what it signifies. When you say shall I, you're making an offer or suggesting to do something for someone else. It's a polite way to propose your help and shows respect towards the other person. It's more formal than should I and carries a touch of finesse. For example, if you're at a dinner and your friend's plate is empty, you might say, "Shall I get you more salad?" Let's talk about the appropriate situations where shall I is used. 1. Offering to perform a task. You can use shall I when you are offering to carry out a task for someone else, especially when you believe the task might be of some help to them. For example, shall I carry those bags for you? 2. Proposing a plan or idea. Shall I is also used when you propose a plan or idea, asking for the other person's approval. For example, shall I book the tickets for our trip? 3. Showing courtesy. In situations where a high level of politeness is necessary, such as in professional settings or formal events, using shall I to make offers or suggestions is a great way to show respect and courtesy. For example, shall I arrange a taxi for you, sir? The tone of your voice plays a significant role when using shall I. Remember to maintain a friendly, respectful tone, as this phrase is used to display politeness. Also, remember that shall I is generally more formal, so it's best used in situations where a level of formality is expected or required. And there you have it. You've learned when and how to use shall I to make offers and suggest actions in a polite and respectful manner. Remember, English is a vast language, and nuances like these make your conversation skills stand out. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay tuned for more language insights in our upcoming videos. Keep learning, and we'll see you next time.